In this video, I'll show you how to clean the print heads of your Epson EcoTank ET-4800. In case you're having troubles with your printer, maybe when you're trying to print pictures, you get some lines or, some colors are not printing properly. Now, before starting, I just need to mention, if you ever get those lines, it's not always because the print heads are clogged. You see, I just printed a second time and it worked. Just go over here, media quality, when you're trying to print, and change normal to best. If you're still having issues, press the home button on your printer. Then using these arrows, navigate until you see maintenance. Press OK. And from here, I suggest you do a nozzle check first. This way, we'll be sure that it's actually the print heads that are causing the errors. So press OK. Once you see nozzle check, make sure you have loaded some US letter size paper there, and then press the print button right here. All right, so this is our paper, and if we take a look at whatever came out, this is the most important part over here. Make sure that all the lines are full, like here. And if you see, like I do on the top here, some, space between the line, well, this means you need a print head cleaning because this is causing the error. Same thing with the color, check if all the lines are continued. On the screen, you're gonna see, are there any missing segments? In my case, it's yes, so I'll select yes. Clean print head, press yes. Then it will say clean print head to correct missing dots. Press OK. Make sure you have loaded some paper again and press this button right over here once. It will take around 3 minutes, so we'll be back once this is done. A page will be printed. Here we go. So now we have this page. It's the same one as before. It's just trying to show you if the print heads are actually clean this time. So if we compare, before we had those small discontinuation, and now it's all clean, no problems. Even the text here looks much better than this one over there. So we have solved our problem. If in your case, you're still having issues, you're still having this kind of thing, but it's getting better, okay? You simply need to clean the print heads once again. And on the screen here, it will ask you, are there any missing segments? So in your case, if you're still having the issue, you're gonna select yes. In my case, since I have fixed the problem, I'll select no, and this is it. I don't need to do anything. So as long as you see things improving, simply do another print head cleaning. In this maintenance menu, if we go over here, you also have head cleaning. This does a print head cleaning directly without printing something before. And over here we have power cleaning. Power cleaning will use a lot more ink than a simple print head cleaning. So I don't suggest you use it unless once you print the test page, it's very horrible. If all your lines are having holes in them, and if you didn't use the printer for like 2 or 3, 4 months, and again, it's horrible, then you can do a power cleaning. Be aware, it will use a lot more ink than a regular one. So just use this in case of emergency, let's say. But overall, this is it. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, check my Amazon affiliate links down below, and I'll see you in the next video.